Are you just about to start laying your floors? Come and see us just to make sure you get all the best options and make it as easy as we can for you. You can see we've got loads of different samples. There's so many different ways to do it. So bring in a sample board so you can get all these wide range of colours. You don't have to just get silver, bronzes and blacks. And then we can show you, depending on if you've got to sort of do a little bit of a ramp up at a front door, you've got sliding doors, kitchens, you know, 2 floors the same height, you go into carpets. There's so many different ways to do it, from 2-part trims to some single part trims as well. So yeah, there's all different ways you can finish things with scotias or taking skirting boards off. We've got a load of different ways you can do staircases as well. And then the store is full of other great ideas with leveling cements, primers, moisture barriers, adhesives, and so many more things. So just come on in, bring a sample, and we'll give you the best advice we can to make your job easy and save you some of the heartache. So thanks for watching. Check us out online or in store for more great solutions. Thanks for watching.